study point. The Ajami class 10 social science or history part chapter 5 cultural heritage of India and North Eastern region. Hey chapter very short answer type questions 1 of 5 লৈকে লৈ আনিছো তো ভিডিওটো স্টার্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো তুমি চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব question number 1 what was the eastern border of the Indus Valley civilization extended up to Ganga Valley. The Harappan civilization developed in around 4000 BC and its eastern boundary extended from Sindhu Valley to Meerut. Question number 2. When was the town culture developed during the Indus Valley civilization? The town culture during the Indus Valley civilization developed around 2600 BC. Number 3. What was the presumed time of writing of the Rig Veda between 1500 BC and 1000 BC? Question number 4. The term Satyam Jayate found in the national symbol was taken from which book? The term Satyam Jayate found in the national symbol was taken from Munduka Upanishad. Number 5. Which book did establish the term unity in diversity? The term unity in diversity was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in his book Discovery of India. Number 6. Greek Roman technique were used in which style of sculpture of India? The Greek and Roman style were used in building many Buddha style. Number 7. What is the name of the famous book on political science written in ancient India? Arthashastra written by Kautilya. Number 8. When was the Natyashastra by Bharat Muni was written? Between 200 BC to 2nd century. Number 9. How many slokas are there in the Natyashastra? There are around 6000 slokas in Natyashastra. Question number 10. What is Hereka movement? Freedom fighter Rani Gaidulu launched a movement named Hereka from the revival and preservation of the transactional religions, belief and cultural heritage of the tribes of Nagaland. Number 11. Hornbill Festival of Nagaland is based on which name of organism? Bird hornbill. Number 12. The traditional festival Chapchar Kat belong to which state? The answer is Mizoram. 13. What is the meaning of the word Mizo? The term Mizo means inhabitants of the hill. 14. Which state of the northeast has a matriarchal society? Meghalaya. 15. What are the main theme? Manipuri dance, Saint Chaitanya, Lord Krishna, etc. The 8 questions asile next questions for next video learning. ধন্যবাদ।